What a new way to cool off and quench your thirst. And now everyone is enjoying the surprising experience of Paradise Park treated drinking water.
Hi.
Join the refreshing experience and enjoy the all-new Paradise Park treated drinking water. Paradise Park treated drinking water. Drink pure, live more. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Do you live in the USA, UK or Canada? Do you wish to work from home? Do you want to be your own boss? If your answer to the above questions is yes, then log on to CasaTalk.com. CasaTalk is giving you the opportunity to work full-time or part-time from the comfort of your home. At CasaTalk, you decide how much money you make at the end of the month. To work full-time or part-time from the comfort of your home. At CasaTalk, you decide how much money you make at the end of the month. It's convenient, less stressful, you save money on transportation, no experience is needed. All you need is a quiet home office. Log on to www.casatalk.com and grab the dream job you've been waiting for right in your home. CasaTalk is Ghanaian owned.
Hi, Patrick.
Yes, thank you. Wow, you guys are so efficient. You're always on time.
At Drop-In, we pride ourselves on being efficient. We make sure our riders are happy with our services.
That's great.
But, Madam, how did you hear about Drop-In?
Oh, I saw a post on Instagram. I've been using Drop-In since. How about you?
I saw a post on Facebook, and I decided to give them a call to see if I could work with them. They've been so great. I just received another request on the same route.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, with Drop-In, you can share a ride and pay less than the actual amount.
Charlie, Drop-In has finally dropped. So, download it now on your Android or iPhone and ride safely and conveniently. Charlie, you for take Drop-In. Bam.
Drop-In, your convenience is our drive.
Day by permanent is day by permanent in Susham Amayati assistance to a young quan. Now, Sasia Daway a Mohanchichemu at your son so a young set as Adia. Then Tina what can I say a man to come and in Stu and 1 way out Emma when you took our sem. A Radanaya Drilling Company Limited. One about the so how baby and any panemu ever in Suhu. Wabetu Asa Siam, Copimsa Wabetu Supa and what town and where to at the Amo. Borehole drilling, Yayipi, water treatment services. Yaya visibility studies. Said, baby, I watch you to know a yadia betul to assassinate Ansania to Yaya hand any electronic pump installation, hydrofracture, ya the machines are horror FC assassinating near Trinsunasi baby Biarewa the Gufako, young borehole drilling no, and what to with a minimum, what the Rade, Edgarimpa, Unya or how Ankran Crane, a Fiasim, apartments are horror insurance, hotels, estate developers, Washington Benny Numeku, Mumbre, Neradinaya Drilling Company Limited, Yabe Buam Winyan Super, Putu Young was 0245 636 634 and our 02471 714 72. A Radinaya Drilling Company Limited. This is to a young Kwan.
Many am Ghana for much or Metio Bibia, Namia make us say your friend Kusi Bismarck. A baby a chum na your friend will say a clue of 4, if don't say and cremo 4. Now, so the better Abraham must na your friend will say a clue of 4, if don't say and cremo 4. Now, so the better Abraham must say a message, you know. You only say, oh, boy, the Maya Sumbia, Babia of Adipo free by and will be a name will be intimate. Name of the Yabin says, Adipo Emma, I do the 18. And 2 person of Boa Nubia, who young Conwa Buano, men your bonny, a wandering a bachelor, and Yamian yesterday, your Persia support Abraham, who was spreading message, no, a liberty and Yam and Yamaman, and 2 person of a candidate 2000 ye, aye and when see what free a kumamu, see a person support Abraham and San Anama Yinamaye, now or bois or the name natural spreading message, and 2 best of a canipa 2000 on, now you support Abraham, Miss Lord to Mahaba and Bra, and once over WhatsApp number now was on the minia, Mahaba in here, I ready. Metia Banama Becanipa 2000 on, yes, support Abraham was spreading message Namaye, CSF, Bakoye and Ayepe, Biakoye and Ayepe, Arjina Yajuma, body in the baby, Medobi Biase.
Is everywhere. Digital devices, fluorescent lights, LEDs, even the sun. And it may be affecting your eyes and your life in more ways than you realize. From tired eyes to disrupted sleep patterns, blue light may be compromising your light solutions that reflect light. Patent pending EAT absorbs short wavelength, high energy blue light, while allowing long wavelength blue light to your eyes. It's a light-enhancing technology that helps you to experience life the way it's meant to be experienced. Transform your lenses and your life with EAT. Ask your eye care professional about energy-absorbing technology and see the benefits for yourself. EAT, a light-enhancing technology, brought to you by Quantum. We create solutions.
Religion. Yeah. He never believed in the God of religion. Even so, he doesn't need a book to tell him there is God. Sure. He is a critical thinker. Abraham Ben Moshe. Common sense family. All right. Okay, yeah. He was born a Muslim, but you know not his definition. Footballer, and so I need to go play a Christian. As Antonina Titini, John Wahun mission. On a swap, transfer on your politician. It's not a different rabbi and a pastor Lee. As I'm not happy, you Kanya only competition. Osaka Casa would be BT Bengali. When you cook on Israel, it's our occupation. That's it, I can't help this baby, you know. Or don't put your environment home before you know the ball. The more you hit, got the left arm, so you know. You better stop, because I'm people over here anymore. If you get to know what's in sorry, 9 branches. That's not on your papa tie the car, you're not Brucey. Mr. Brabona, you will be our free choices. It's the moon in Asia, Master, and your moon coming cheap. When you got an no ati, being a no punches. I saw 4 times the papa said, was every chances. At the end of the day, and you know, you the fact is, the prayer back will be open, can be justice. One would know pneumonia, my son, I'm with the year. Make a yasa for a young man who yet did cheer. Piano, my son, for 3 Bianco, and no Casaya, 2 maybe 8 Ben Moshe, only size. Ben Moshe, oversize. Ben Moshe, only size. Ben Moshe, oversize. Okay, on Kuan or Taylor, sorry. Big ups to P Black, Yahoo Danny, brother James. I'm sorry. Only to attain jet 3 any other names. Emma train or say Obewa. You know, we sing in Emma 8. You see the games. Opamuko Shimo Cavalry. Akoya the airborne. Mukunu Cry is still the rain. And when every dream, know you Christoni. New Jerusalem, synagogue of the Yahshua. Over Vic, say you make a need when you can't sign so blended tree. Any part to one. Do one on the movie. It's answer what kind of crazy, what better than mafia. What you do, what you did, the hunting, what you did. Or Pessamotina, Sentina, or Campanacula. Upiano preaching what he says, Sabo. But you took care of so moving into my you. I say Ghana, I am part of this.
Yo, I wish I for Chiamo. Mama mungina akwaba na madamu ngina ase. Mama mungina akwaba. Madamu ngina ase. Say my delay time na kakra mo fenche me. Say na yenua base scout e wo live nti na me mpese me distract no. Pa cha wo bape na wa share video no e de amaye. Menim say na 31st ebi be call out ni ade nti na mpese me lesson ne ntem na obi atie bi na ye de bobra. Ti mama mungina akwaba risky bella me hu. Na kwaku me hu. Pacha obape wa share video na we invite friends na yesua de ya with that GH me hu nyina mamu nyina akwaba Ghana for mpanyimfo police for soldier for mpanyimfo minuanom especially more outsider mo follow movement no medamu nyina ase mo send contribution for TV program mo send links mo friend my advice medamu nyina ase any mo we announcement we quick P Black se me kan kire mo say mo amoba no twɛn ne bro nyade P Black say meji me bro nyade sa toy na oji ne bro nyade no P Black o se otwɛn mo ti mefa akwanya iso na mende mabo P Black abaso wayade pa wayade CSF nipa de oyade a osayeyi third eye me hu ya P Black wayade papa mane yahuda almost sacrifice your life for the past 3 years we said then I started Facebook live umutumi nya adwuma minti omonko ahokyere wokom ni nyina no mudi machi ti P Black omso beso mu ni ti bra begina na mu ni na kwa fast P Black no ye producer antene no tere kire ya ti eja CSF mo ti CSF ya mo beloved son ono enie ya mo bano ayade papa ya ti P Black trase mo bano ayade papa nya ni pe bia na obetumi ayesa nya ni pe bia na obetumi ayesa ti he is very loyal no credit okay ye he's sincere, he's loyal. One thing I'm a pure ne ho ye P Black is somebody who listens, and that is all. My training my tia na nkasa no you're very dull my tia no my tia na nkasa ti mu bi kro video mu ni now is for the greater good. I wanted to bring out the best in him. Every good leader, there was secret in leadership. Every good leader must learn how to hate the people he loves. Even you beat your children because you love them, not because you hate them. Ti end of the day afena ko na we ye no the P Black ase da Yahuda ase ene me driver set bi biara wa around me wa boa me wa ma me futuo me da mu nyina ase P Black he deserve award me da adam be nipa ye bi akwanya mefa akwanya so na me ameba Jet Li so madana se for almost 7 years on me anante I was say yesu ane hu say woni nipa nam na montemu tete you not enemies e be duru baby baby me movie akono Jet si on to me mfa me nko ho a ebufo bi anim so won say Jet kra eye video bi na ne bu ofo a in his own mind no he thought he was defending his God jeya metenase won say sofo bi ye Facebook live no didi mi atemo a video no ye ne nyesa ompema sem or ye video simply because na adwin ne say or kwama Jesus ananyankopon nti ende dey nyameba Jet Li bebia wo bia no da wase what sacrifice your life almost 7 years of your life one menante okom ahokyere amane na one menenam enne na ye need the same place me mfa no ho na me maunda ne me enemy ye WhatsApp still or send me message nyina we are not enemies ti medam nyina ase obi biara chale me ne wanante medam nyina ase obi bia we are let's learn how to be sincere we are see we yemfa nko ba bia discount na prempe me da se wate discount me da se papa mo ne Kofi Adomo wani medam ase pa e wo de mo aye de aboa me ene girl we love na nefo aboa hima na nefo me da se na nefo me da wo so ase pa me Facebook wife no na nefo me da that's a pa bema na wenya na nefo ano hwe ne ye wenya yire me ka kire wenya yire. That girl was an amazing girl. Yeah, she's amazing. Me Facebook and me wono me kire we futu as again na de mame na nefo love na nefo aboahema any charity love me nya friends bi on social media any charity love any daachi hema poshia any manye koko any Pamela Brown any Risky Bella CSF ladies no medam nyina ase any woni pa bi Jeffrey any me old executives no sister na we Wadada any Zach any DJ Fuad the old executives no mo boa me papa especially Wadada yeah on the Drew baby na on me cast or to me tell me nyina because he wanted to bring out the best in me and say yentemu atete kra we are not enemies still ibinum send me message ema me advice ne ade nti medamu nyina ase CSF obi biara a wa share me video obi biara a wa like me wa live why pacho madam pacho me wi an pacho why but me can pacho why obi biara wa send me video why bibi medamu nyina ase why medamu ase Ghana phone pay for mo frɛ ade ba ko pɛ na me hia sɛ mumwa wa me ntumi ambo din so fetch me card GH smiley darling Tiero mo ye bebre kojo dankwa defeat abubasa kojo Barcelona mo je bebre me ntumi bo mu nyina mo din ha jena police ene ni mo doso na the king ono che miska first me started Facebook live na the king ono che miska 200 Ghana me started Facebook live no say no baby awoko no oko good place na owoya 200 Ghana no bi che bi acha panati medam nyina ase Variety Night Social Media Awards no and then the last day 3 categories no me na me lady ti medam nyina ase menim say ba means ade na afawi ti obo ade adomo a ye ba US live ye ba be mo award no so we dey kire yeah medam ase obi biara any head top ra wo Dubai team no ne obi bia medam ase medam nyina ase and 31st oh Collins kwabna oh so de me bo nyina mudi a me nya lesson no ti medam nyina ase pa cho ba pe share video no na like page na mami why medam ase na mo killers me no be pese me bo mudi ti ba ko fe no bright na ba ko so ye fe no ankrato medam ase for the support, for the love, for the encouragement, for the advice. Duru baby kromo frɛ Abraham oya oka we wan kan yi ya kan say obi biara medam nyina ase and then yaba and then 31st and then cocoa season for the pastors. By this time I saw for the share one corner omo atwam notebook ten omo ato omo coat omo shoe no ma polish omo shoe na no ten say tea bread no I saw for the shoe so for bi obewura so dem ohu ni shoe na no a 45 minutes and somebody ni be pie 22 bless yeah also ka squad no so for bi on the shoe na no ten nti so for opie free gate na no na ohu shoe na no a agese ugina ho 45 minutes and somebody be pie omo asi omo anu anne omo beji nti enne no wa obeko all night let me no need problem call all night me mo ati ase say 31st night is not a special day and a different day. It is just an ordinary day. A normal day to say 1st January. A ordinary day to say 3rd July. A ordinary day. Into bedru New Year say ya. And they say after 31st no afina every year ya defend New Year resolution. Ni abet last year na me ya de bi me nya biom. Hey please it doesn't exist. People do not change. Everybody is a unique soul. You can't change. You are who you are. But the only thing you can do is to control a particular bad habit. With your control, you enjoy. Obia ye unique. Said the what is I not here. To me, will be say may foul number sound. No, that's why when you meet people, you study their character. When you like, you move on with them. When you can't, you say bye bye. Then you go your separate ways. To me, it's a sound will be a you can't change people. You can't change people. Entro bi ko e Kristo ni. Every crusade I say or accept Jesus as a personal savior. Every crusade I accept Jesus as my Lord and personal savior. You can't change people. People do not change. But you can build a wall around a particular character. And as we grow, no, your genes, no, nipa your machine, as we grow naturally, certain characters free. Te be to make us say Ebra misano, a gene on necessary. It starts with the brain. Inti a good sabe new year resolutions, a good boni bianim, but you have to stick to it. And DBO, my catch them say it is very difficult, but it is achievable. It is difficult but achievable. But you can do it. You can do it. Consistently when you train the brain, you train the brain up to me. And before I met to us on your product, no, C24/7 anti-aging any way or pain form for inflammable because it contains anti-aging. A organic food supplement from the #1 premium herbal company in the world. I found the Nature's Way, United States company no our existence for the past 50 years. Any Akoshe Japan product in any your back find restore life and on Oprah Winfrey of an Oprah Winfrey when but if so ya bofra because of anti-aging and on me looking fresh this year next year I make 40 years but meaning 40 but look at my face we were 39 make 40 but my face say I'm 23 24 I take very good care of myself wow na me sure me blend ya me no mo be dwane na me blend ya me no nti besramo ya hwe hu yi 120 Ghana and we dey universal and me ye no practicals kire mo nra no oni demonstration obi abetumi afedi we kuta 16,000 nutrients 16,000 nutrients any we have a complete phyto energizer we are the friend of the heart we are friend Vida Max friend of the heart prevent any form of cardiovascular disease your product no organic product Nature's Way be so be US organic farm omo product no organic farm and kasa omo product no and ye wo mind choco no am the full box no natural say natural contain DHA ye cocoa Ghana cocoa ya no de yaye and no de complete phyto energizer ni bi egum and no man science so the DHA no we your brain but nyema ye di no free radicals and toxic ekwe mu no e man never down enti offer eboa emonya more DHA for retentive memory e ma we very smart and intelligent enti abofra woni mu ade penyini a ne refi ade eni full box no 80 Ghana pe eni what the living coffee no de ye no you have 2 types of coffee na we ase you have Arabica coffee and Robusta coffee ba ko na wa bonte na eno ye Robusta Arabica coffee Ethiopia pe na wo eno de aye coffee no eno mo de 16,000 nutrients ne gum so you take your coffee then chale unya wa ho den. The next one emi quantum pendant from Apostle Joseph for radiation ye phone ye use television no ne light ne ade e ha adwen eni tie no so eboy anti open so papa no a Paradise Park mineral water baby jet nsuo no and a feminine wash ni feminine wash no e san boa ma eni efu ntentem wo de ewutiri mu a and a prevented dandruff eni and a man no for infection oba ema oba ase eye kama and when so emema de ni eboa ma ye bema nya hoden kama and eboa ema embema so enlarge kakra and eboa bema na pempemu epa unya bo hair wo de yepe ebefu kama e de amount your products we bring any we your friend no energy any for the phone wo de better leave phone echi technology any wo de better leave phone echi for radiation madam nyina ase na me football na me ye mepa mo chew maka kire mo next year me ye ntotoye me ne DJ fu ade be planning into June July ye be your first program for underground artists no ye be audition na ya select ya na ye nya be 50 and 60 na ya ye show na ye inviting penyimfo na omaba na actually ye hu the next step e be boa young talent anti the media starting no a football console ye nua be ma third eye be da se pa third eye ato ne safre agent ya mo beti yen kan ye pese ye hwe na etumi pia 2 or 3 boys boa 2 or 3 boys bi na mutumi to kwan na eja omoso efie kwan ye de na ye de forming academy ankasa na ye de boa young talent into be so boa be football team na no afre me number no me number no TP Black Jena reply message or reply ya can reply message oh in the P Black na o produce dwumedie no producer P Black bo me number no patro bi tap me number na mamwa nti ye to aso ene me African way wa wo hia bi no me designer no owo Kumasi o Kumasi a pamade atu ofra no mama mabo third eye me da se pa on person me bo ni din your former Black Star players ni bi on person me bo ni din third eye me da se pa ne wo support ne wo love me da se wona e junior brother me da mu nyina ase okay ene no e football kakra em se base scout no akasa dipa bibra akasa me pa mo chew. I am proud of myself in this movement. Say we have enlightened a lot of people. You be no okra me starting no mu didi matem. And then we now realize no, say me kwa asoli mpo a. E wo say me fa Avram de ne kakra na me de kwa asoli. Me srawo afia ye be kom no. Obeye wo nkremoni a ye wo nkremoni. Obeye wo Kristoni a ye wo Kristoni. Na emom de bia me ka kire wo say ma adwen no enya adwuma. Think of what you can do for your nation and not what your nation can do for you. Me pamoy na chaw the best start no yenye good citizens number 1 the me dey start no yenye very very good citizens wow am I yen twen yeah scratch Michael me da say am I yen twen na ye leaders no embe ye bibi se ka kwan e na say e wo area wa ebusia ka kwan no potholes abeda mu fie nim ho e koso accident ment na won twen na sabe o man panyini embe fele potholes no area kofo no munya one leader one area udi opa ya wo area leader now the call house to house any omon kasa na mon fele potholes no mama yensua se de be prevent situation obi etu amene bi amna na nipa na etu no rainy season ba beduru amna na wetu no wanye fence bia abofra betumi atom abofra na ewu quickly for nipa ni attention onye adibo odebe prevent ya ebe save situation no e ma ye nhwe na obi nwu ansa area ye wo no ebi kretumi te wona pipe drinking water na pipe na paya drinking water no gusa na area phone na te ho ensuo ne betene sa treated water a obi otie kurase ponye bi nom na yesene sa ne ye twen say assembly ne mbe ye da bi quickly ubetunya frɛ plumber bi na plumber na say plumber for na ye plumber bi na plumber na behwɛ plumber de behwɛ say 100 Ghana po na wutua you are a good citizen the pamochao yen focusing on training our children at home and church na with you know for training mmofra yen kyerɛ mmofra ne cleanliness yen kyerɛ mmofra no sɛ no bedi omhuni yen kyerɛ mmofra no sɛ de ye kasa yen kyerɛ mmofra no sɛ de ye ben nipa won because ye man no ye nya da agent tete won wo ba sori anopa pe na wo si onko dwale pam na okɔ school akoda ne bebe fie 3 o'clock akoda ne ba 3 o'clock a on kyerɛ no amamre bia o abofra ne ba 3 o'clock pe na wo si onko di agro kakra akoda ne ba pe no wo si onko dwale no ma na aduane yedi odidi wie pe na wakoye homework enti eye school obroni nyansa na ye de tete yamba na wakotena TV ho TV susu a African culture bi no tie starting for ye kurom kasa etete yamba no yen kyerɛ yamba no yamamre yen kyerɛ yamba no how to behave yen sua sɛ de ewo mu a ye de yamba no ebekɔ ye kurom na yakakra too much yakakra especially ye free no off no me man no bi anko mi kurom da enti this na sie besi no se no o se nkodai me di omu kɔ mu kurom esa yamba na yera ya wo yamba ni na di omu egu akra yemfo mu kɔ mu kurom ye kɔ ye kurom a ye main panyimfo yembisa ya bakosem yembisa ya mamre yembisa setete no na ye nananom omosom nyankopon sen ekura mi free sui ya mamre ne sen yeti wo hefa ede ne ye tete no ye wo abofra sen ye ye to abofra ne din ende ye to bedin rough ya amamre bi anim yembisa mamre ne yemfentete ye ma no okay yensue the culture of maintenance stadium yesi organ ha ye dia yensue nyansa sase ye ko stadium one with all due respect ye ko stadium one ebe na kire se wakotena stadium one seat na wo wenim no the next seat na wenim no fa wo nan si so Wow. Government property ɛyɛ dia. Yen treat niyama ni yie. Wow, stadium yen hwe ni yie. Adeɛ bi ɛyɛ ɔman ni dia no. Ye ka kwan dustbin ɛwɔ area no. Wow, menko wia. Wow, odwun awon tiase obi wɔ hɔ ɔkɔ baby no ɔkɔ wia plastic chair. Me birthday ye party kakra na wa bedidi na obi ba no de bag yaba na wasesa nsa de egum ye ɔmo kɔ no na ba ko tam plastic chair ba ko otidom na ɔde kɔ. So, mo amukwe eyi ase ne party ase eko wiewia ntre any plate no 2019 me pa chaw suenyansa ne jai sa life no obi yi ase wen suenyansa wo ko wia ntre aden obi ko wia Guinness bottle no akoton Guinness bottle na ya no weye ebrade train dade we wo ko sakumo no kwane so a train line no you obi no wo mo kotwitwa dade no makoton it doesn't make sense. Wow, adie bi aye de no ye hwe ade ne yie ana de to so biom no se mesra mo ye ma adwene nya dwuma ye ma adwene nya dwuma mo Bible no hwem na kan wo kwa asole stela koso na kan Bible no eye wo na wo de ho ena so be gie di say obi tena asase so aye fra no Adam ena onya 930 years ya minua we ubekire ma kire wo basen obi tena asase so enya 930 enda niko prostu no say wo gidi pan say obi tena asase so enya 930 dia and yet with all due respect you are sick in your foolish brain. Everything on this planet on a lifespan. Tortoise on a lifespan. Elephants on a lifespan. Free Adam abraso and society. No book no catch now say obit na asase so onya 600 years and no starting say obubo boat Noah this 600 years and obubo boat na 600 years no hey na ahode men onya ya the human gene our genes cannot even exceed 300 or 400 years to be pamacha oji we dia please now uji this wo bi kasa wo book mu it doesn't make sense to mesramo religious books no ya wo mu a omu efiri religion mu kra ene wo mu guso cheke ye be koso educate mu na ya kyerɛkyerɛ mu lupo se be kyerɛ se book ni mfiri nyankopɔn na ayi obi ena akɔpɛ kɔna baabi ena wakɔ akɔtɛ won ena watwero book e de abrɛye The African concept of God is much greater than the God in the Bible and the God in the Quran. The African concept of God is far greater than the God in religion. Good. Yeah, said the Nasantifu Bunyankopon. Said the Dagati Gonja Mampurisifu. The Gumba Fu Kunu Yankopon. And yes, Anna, religion, no. The God in religion is limited. Nyankopon ni wure to me fiade. Nyankopon obi ne kai. No, Jaya tia santefo said you bu Nyankopon amamre no. Omo bo na manane no. Wow, henti misremu a. Afia ye besi mu yema adwen no enye dwuma papa. Enye dwuma papa. Enro me ka bebre kira mu. Memo bi mbedada so nya ne owufo. Yem bisa questions. Mu amwaka ensole nim no. Mu bisa question. Bebre from Mr. Abraham. Ye wo CSF, but asole ne ye question. See Abraham, you will see yourself. You will be sa question, ma. Me say, who be bisa question, ma? You be pam with your sword them all. Omo concept of God, ne ye great, enkran for. Omo friend Nyankopon ata na nyumo, mother, father, supreme being, or your mother and the father. But religion, everybody say, or your male pair. There be, so the active force na to me in free no both male and female na the female part no na abodi in free no spirituality side no am person me call no ye higher teaching no kwami gusu amusua de the female part no na ade in free no wow nti SMP why ti my listening ma kakra bi wow me te say prophet Nigel we nya ne ogufo we are the church member na ubon semua. With all due respect, you are not a fool, but one dream ye. With all due respect, one dream ye. Say, Musia saw them ho. Woman, me we. Emma church members ekoja we yie wo kunu wi yekoja we yie so for ne kura na ase ewi emokosie no mo wa ne yede beto mo anim se mbonua dofo ye pamochaw awrofosem aba ne se sofu panyini na ase ewu enti asolemba ye nyina ekoja sofu ye koja sofu eyie kese eye na ase ena mokọ sofu na ase na yie sofu na ntumi enyane na ase no ena okoto efurudaka 5000 eno di kosie na ase mo wa so dem woda kora ambulance ye besi wo se ye de owufo bi aba ye de owufo di wura so dem wa so fo se wenyane no na wo bo nsemu a wagini kakra. With all due respect, the new term in town is with all due respect. The only thing I would do is I will force my generation to think. Hey, what cause software? Na siwu eyiye ema software crack handkerchief anu osu eyiye na se na asiewu sebi mprebiasa software ya omuko sebi with all due respect software omo awo ne se kanye kunu e wo na asole wotema ada na software ni nkonyane no tema software mu bishop obi ni mo ni tema hwe me say omo de ya adwenye diagro enra me kan sembi na sansem we me repeat minua dwene minua me ndidi matam me pacha odwene wati sa o ma me ka kiro se kwabena enkran ya wu kwai hwe wo yie na ma wa adwenye adwuma o ma me ndidi watam wati wa kwa asole be 6 years wa kwa asole 7 years debia adanse esi wa so demo muna mo ye members dada no mumu nya adanse die ni bio na adanse a eyehu adanse a emu oduru apache a osole nante onifrenia na ni bie eye new member a wo bie nim no eno na dwene ho ne ye bisa no mami wa bahada dabi mami me ne wakasada dabi bi black ye be start mami be pacho uni mo baby dabi mbacho wa bahada dabi be pacho kanukure o Waba hada? Okay, mbacho, why Sister Dinah? Sister Dinah. Oye ni aba. Guni aba. Sister Dinah why? Bacho Sister Dinah. Me bacho, muni me di nkomoda. Me bacho ndem hu Yesu nsenkyere. Sister ya wu no different. Ya wu no different. And the mum say Yesu Kristo. Ne nsenkyere ni said you what enura no oti saa de kosida. Enne mu be hu nsenkyere ni. Na sofo bie ni freye ni ani. Na ya de nyum shem yesu ni wajo wasma ayilele na wo sole kosebia menua wan dwen yi so for dem wan dwen di agro so for ni hia na waka kire mu aka ne se wo nyankopon fa ne boa gwanto ne ntam na nyankopon mre ene brepa nyankopon gusu oye nsenkyere ne na wo cheche ne nkakra na maame wo kenka bible na bible ni se aduru baabi onyankopon kai Sarah maame mensu nyankopon be kawo won se wo de no o twemu ama amu se nya abotre nyankopon be den obekawo. God will not remember you if you do not remember yourself. Remind yourself that you've been a fool in the church for far too long. Stop going to the church. The money box challenge. From 1st January, obian per money box. From 1st January, they say per money box. Natural, my pastor or my prophet. Now every Wednesday. Now the 100 Ghana too. Fancy what oil. A woman a Friday, no fancy what all night. Now the 40 Ghana too. Sunday. Now the water tight ye gum. Janessa. All your papa box not from my girlfriend. Fancy your girl. A woman what fancy or some maniska, no fenity. Now the 100 Ghana too. Now why you say what froze so baby pizza, not for pizza scatum. What dear Yanaka Krankakra? Mercy a French ever. Now the other 6 months na be so na we obebo wunsem amencha obi o send ode ne money box sika me dey kira se mun bisa so for the question mon tata so for the question Ubi money box.
First, let me tell me tight offering at the map station. No, she, Charlie, is this boss? A teacher, we started 2 months, 2 weeks in you, Charlie. And we finish Baba and I say, box that I might teach Charlie maybe yes. Where I go in that class for the Kotoko, Charlie, with the life. And I would go with you every day, going to a Viviano, in that now, common sense for me. In that now, no size. You have continued, I used to not with that now. Oh, Beijing could Charlie, Charlie,
I started 2 weeks, 2 months, 2 weeks. When you scared to the rent. Make us at home my girlfriend, just a man girlfriend. Fancy one girlfriend, who no girlfriend or about person while and I would dating. Problem being by myself for money box. Now yet to say, or baby, I would dating, and answer was soft for our woman is now, dear share. I feel back where we you to me, Pamachow. My young soon could get to. Then me catch them with you to know. Young Susu said, yo, get to life, no, a day, get to life, a day. Sabe, I say, I could should life be a day. Susu co club, oh, club too much, and you debut your co club. Oh, dear, debut, would you any? And you debut your G and your minia. Let us be serious for once. Sunya savings. Jajumadin, chilling, it's a so. Chilling, let's so. Minia Mesrao. Once I was for a baby, this year, per target said this year, me to assassin. Oh, dear, Fanessa, me last year, me casa me toka. Me cranko that night every day. Madam, I'm proud of my kids. Debbie, I make me cranko la nine. Now, me say me toka, and so. Me catch up with some toka, no say, I grown a woody. Oh, yes, my papa, me say me can't see one. Until this year, me the BBS minister this year, I was saying me moving my brother to the next step. My life will never be the same. No, and you saw them. And you wanna be determine what to do, and then you work towards it. And it's simple as ABC. Just determine, plan what to do, work towards it. Afiwe meto asase. Ampa, we ye jumaden, we ye focus. Money box ya mi ke kra we ye wadia. Money box ni sika obetu di ato. Say asase kra yesen. Asase. Omo to asase yesen. Quarter plot to cry what to be. Bon, focus me be a person ya na fiwe. Meant now don't lead your life anyhow. Obi ote ho oni plan bia for na abrabo no obo plan bia nim ote ho keke odidi na wanom na wada na wasole na wakotena ghetto na wahye na wadidi na wada na wakotena club na wahye na watwishisha na wanom tramo no nam na ka abono na kwato hospital na wayale na on hospital na drive store na no anda ne doctor na no akokire durope na wanom na ne kidney asai tim na wawu na yesie no na amanfo akobro asa na brabo bo wiase no. Lead a life with purpose. Some people are leading their lives and the creator is even shocked. He created them. You see, some people lead their lives and even Satan is surprised. Say Satan to quote to say, now aqua with Padana. Satan is even amazed. Whoa, and then catch him say, lead a life that your kids, your children, and your parents will be proud of you. Bobra, Sauma Amino Papati ho. No more share your banner, they will clap. And make us say, yes, that's my child. I know my friend about Barakisu, the firstborn, na me tunefo, but then Kasa, ye kwa next year, na me say Barakisu. Are you proud of me? No say da, me nam, na me nkrofo humia, no say bin mo hye ne ba na ekono. Ye bi mu ye ya me de but dodo na bi okwa me koto ade a me bo wudin pe, ye nji misika, drivers ni bi, e bi o me bo wudin a, omo nji misika. I'm proud of you, no say Barakisu. Won so bobra na me nso me nya proud of you. Sram youth no. What talent now what they are dodging no. Don't hide your talent. What talent now what they are dodging. Cause artist be a or she ghetto. 7 or TV base. And now what rap will rebase one modern area champion. There be come out. Oh to see a yeah reality show be call audition call yeah drop next year call. me the video bit to a check guy here where Zab Mallet drop on akoi me you won there Zab Mallet drop on say oh Master Zab today too I say no today there I no go Master Zab for dance my you drop me the other day too you drop me Master Zab at the back you this one here. That's the kind of people I love. My friends now one place opinion bo no the TV. Onye you be on bo but oye adwuma bi nto mfa nye na adwuma. Minia adwuma che de bia wo bia no. Se one man mountain na nipa ehu a. Come out. Seek help. And then crofo nkasa. Wunshira eni nyankopon semu. Wunshira the success, your success is in somebody's hands. Ajibu share will be. In life, keep asking, keep searching. And your education, no nabema we do my you, and your connection. Okay, say we credentials, no certificate. Certificate, Yanton. I'm not going to certificate. And your connection. There. You have to get connected to people. To look for connections, look for people who can help you. Man, and I'm school, and I'm university. 7 years, I grade no easy. Don't be proud of your certificate. Your certificate doesn't pay bills. Look for connections. When take it time, who could have a university degree, no? University after your masters, what if you now will be a work connection where we JHS, ye Juma Kesiaman. Timesram is wild. Bra wasiman krofo bra fom e dey no say enne oni obi e wo relationship mu oni obi e wo business mu oni obi obibia montena se na monkasa na mon create resolutions for the next year mu betumi ato aso a monto aso montumi nto aso a munyai afiwei a ye besim no 2019 ya pamochaw emema na sebe mone ma na tie mo hwe ma no ene ade no ba cho munyai oni oba atia e wo so tumi support oba no oba de obisa wade a e wo se wo ma no emema na ye control ma emema na ye tiatia ma no ye nyai wo ya ade bi tia wo partner na wa pa ne chew na one na kasa mbetumi amwa in life enye wo bia be meet ni bia na wo se moto aso till the end of the world there be we meet people they go nipa na wo dating and then enye wonkwa na we dating no ena wo nso enye wonkwa ene obi a ono so nye obi a wonkwa na we dating no we meet people we live but in terms tete a we are not enemies mon kasa wow the bia differ what you mistake atum mo try enye yi a mo amontra se abrofo dating na fair enye yi a na omo akasa na omo separate they become friends me pamochaw was force be any obi am force so na mo akasa P black ti we girls be brebe na P black no well anti na ma solve mo differences for next year na mo fa plan and then what say ye ebe try worry next year na man no the ladies I'm telling you stop looking for love look for happiness the love na telling novella na mo hwe no a script no be atro that love doesn't exist. Romeo and Juliet were done me patcho be ni wiase it doesn't exist. Oh she movie na hu odobi some odobi wo movie nim o ko hwe we Titanic Rose ne Jack were done it doesn't exist yo movie modo wa ko we yi Marie Cruz ne Rosalinda obi ni obi done out one you are expecting it doesn't exist in reality. And you will be at a Bible, no, or be na copy baby at a natural script, a natural movie. It's what one hour. Now, in reality, you are looking for the same love, you won't get it. It doesn't exist. What is the definition of love? Love is the desire to do good for someone. And until now, obi adoring asia, adoring us, no. Ni asi show some love. Show some love, just a kona ko aleno. Anene nkwada. Don't look for love. Look for happiness. Look for somebody who makes you happy. You'll be when you are with that person, even just a day, look for that people. The day that you're not in good mood, go to the person. Have fun. mo aninji uwia kofie na kwoto abra boso se wote ho na sa wodo no I'm in love. This kind of love is what I'm looking for. It doesn't exist. You are deceiving yourself. You are creating an illusion. Inte sa wodo no wo hwe wo bra bob ho anya yie. The same wodo open wo Philip ho anya yie. The same wodo open wo Chris Bongo ho anya yie. The same laugh. Enu na be onu akwa kochro. All men are the same. Yes, all men will continue to be the same when you all women you keep on acting the same way. Simple as ABC. All men are the same. If you look at Danado, does Danado look like John Mahama? So all men are the same. All men are the same. Say that John Mahama now, net Danado challenge. Are they the same? Stop looking for that love. And yes, sir, we status no. We be the member terms, sir. And be with somebody who makes you happy, not somebody who needs you. No. It doesn't exist. Man, you dating one. Especially man, yes, I am. I'm with him status. Or bani percent. Or can't central bear mana. No, I got your status. Munyai. And who's because you only about it, a buffo kit to be not a deal person catch now. No, I call pet picture beer and Troyabia did the attempt, not the Akoto or Bam. Ade, the most annoying thing is to put your personal issues on social media. And then how? And Facebook status not the Akoto, oh, I'm no papa never kind. And then Mukosians are life in a way. Addicted to a don't put your feelings there. Debbie. Adi adibatu u status biano manenye positive we ya be man also the status e di oba tem dia e dia u change benku ansan ya sandia chef regime be mo loto be mo ni oba ibufo kitwa bi no akotro status no di oba na tem wo dia wasai change bia wo wiase ko bi pa me di ho yawo oni adwo ibufo kakrai wo dia akoto status when you do ayo yenjai status atem didie in relationship emwa asemba monka ade amunya ne say when you are dating but your relationship dey serious when you are dating wow emamuma ebuf ade enchi ebufuo so you can be angry with each other but settle it before you sleep edmut butumifu so oba no ni fie be ma no ni fie ebufu aba Bema no online, Obana so online. Bema no ene ne friends e chat. Obana ne friends e chat. O chat kakra no about the boss spy. No I say get no wa. Na get no so chat kakra. Na get no so be boss spy. No which na so. Eye ego, eye pride. Ba ko nye jimifo keke. Na on type. Hello honey. So you are here and you are not chatting with me. I know what I did was really bad. You forgive me. I'm sorry. Okay. You know I love you. Oba ne be flex kakra. You like that too much. You like that too much. No what type it. Love no. Wow, emoji. Love kakra kan e home pan no. Oh, P black, Oh, love ne home no. No what type it. Pine. Oh, what type it love now na girl no. Still o yes stubborn. Now what type it toy na osu no. Oh, in real life you are not crying, but open so oba ni je toy no osu no what type what toy no osu no what type ni bebra ebeba nketenkete type na 11 what type ya tears ni egoyi eno anu no fe so won na wa na wa frɛ no hello P black hello oh P black ya dia usre oh near 31st adena yesa and one say hello oh die now so adena ya yesa why bibi kakra na obuafu we ya mintumi na man throw voice and come into me now yes so me na na sadia se kwasia P black say na dadia se hey we are say hey amani apa ne won relationship we say hey adi asem krania so ti mesra mo P black say na dadia sa na den sign 1:30 to 12 na offer apacha. And who quit the ana. People like na dream you. Hey, we are ready Nyankopon. Timpacha. They making an said they be catch them said. Me business ame Alliance Motion Global me cost start no. Me the 625 Ghana and the cost start. They find the seed money. Say sika no and am dey hwe me mba no. Emu anam dey atoka. Enti me to me invest 625 Ghana. Na sika ne to me multiply na me dey atoka me pa chaw. Me nko so seed wa so them and they will nim na wo ko jira so them and so seed 5,000. Me nua me pa chaw you are sick. Eye yale wo de and 31st afini na wo car wo de kwa asole any car wo so for the ba asole find the kuta the best car hwa wo so for the yire ne madress na hwe school aso for ne mako na hwe wo ne wo yire ne wo madress na hwe school a wo mako company owner obi to say despite despite ebenye sika eche in members because or the company owner sana asolenete so for it to say company owner and na church members no moye workers product no Jesus simple. Christianity is a business. Jesus is the product. The members are the customers and the pastors and the prophets are the beneficiaries. 2 years, 625 Ghana, 2 years, M Global. Me na me top number 5 enna in M Global. Me the top number 5 enna. Me were 14 account. Me first account. Within 2 years, sika ma enno echo over 2 billion. Me anya me man nka me ni packet wa. Me anya national team na. Enya nkoda 9 no. Na nkoda no oni sika me ye day. Na man for type bisa question. A day. Oni sika me. One day, M Global for the regular so. Misika no kra na nso. Ti ni lante Osman, Nyankopon Shira, me applying. I don't know so me so 25 Ghana. Me ko register M Global. Me ko bo bosia 400 Ghana. Bradan, Nyankopon Shira why? Bradan, boyfriend of Bradan. Dan, ono bo me bosia 400 Ghana. Na me kura 200 Ghana na 600. Me do office for and ni lante Osman, my boss. Yakupon Shira or so me so 25 Ghana. And ye me kwatuno M Global. By even top 20 NS one count. Tell me say your success is in somebody's hands. And yam paibo. And yam break loose go. As some now wa show them no. What can sa? As some now no. Hey. People at the back and then you mray 2000 last me catch them with debi I say we mean naika. Hey, 2016. Who could now so like I said 2016. And then 31st night. And then 31st night. Me jaw kwine. 2017. Say it after me. 2017. My life. And the life of my family. And the life of my country. And the life of the people around me will never be the same. Receive it. Amen. Now receive it. 2017. Abrabona nkoyie. 2017 December and also coach now 2017 and then 31st night na me ja okwan and then you ye be 2018 I prophesy upon your life that your life will never be the same. Say I receive it. 2018 and you starting and I'm no kasai and you expiring date na do no akosi say to on sign. And that's what you. Prayer is not for lazy people. Prayer is for successful people. What can say here for the awesome bompai? Ayomu bibi and a bompai. Lazy man. What's now what fimuning na what's no dim kwasi asem sa. Saving secret when sebi. Oh, Kojina saw them then you Daddy Jesus. Oni ane di ye oni we di oni we di ye mpon oni we di ye nu mpon obi ani wundi ni yo abrabo na ewo awodia abrabo ene warabo ye na nam na kan abrabo ene warabo tu obi da sebre etu nyumbi ebo bibi kremu o cheke wabrabo bibi kremu ti cheke abrabo no. Failure to plan is planning to fail. Failure to plan is planning to fail. You can't keep doing the same thing and expect different results. Daddy, once you do the same thing, you will get the same result. Once I will the same thing, this Abrabona about 2015, 16 and koye, and now you the same thing 16 into 17 and koye. The same thing now in 2017, 18 and koye. Do us up Okacham say, obey the same thing 19 assassin and koye. Sasa change, put effort, start saving, cut expenses. Expenses not so. It is good somebody but expenses not so. Obi babo busia uni bia minibi. Unibia, minibi. Tommy Redu, thank you. Tommy Redu, dear. Or share one confono. Yakupon find a crancy, my intimate Miss Ramwa. Say, no partner, and Rame catch them, or mine security be any, or mine yenny bambo. Ghana, yenny bambo. With all due respect, Nancy, say, or Mampegini, Echo, a vice president, Echo, no for Sade Hoba, the convoy, say accident to see you, Sade. President Kofu Abdeso now obi the car abebo came now America president babe to the car ben abe America president yem panyum for no kura ni bambo yem panyum for no wa we see no sound no free suna sambra wa eya wo na what's that problem ti free suna sambra why Eddie free suna sambra why obeba na sound na ba me pamu chao me sramu Ghana president ekronye safe o man na memene wo Tobi anhwe ni wiye places bi owa enko places bi enko safety first me beach me beach me ko beach ya me nko beach occasion day na edon gu ono me nko beach oda unim dwale a ensuo ne nkotom safety first we your motor rider o dia wu crowd peja motor no raise motor no Ebina, young talent, beautiful talent, kwesiata, amini ni mwagro. Video biba ya, oti moto echia, ye peja, onche helmet. Misramo, ube yene wewu, pe. No biya kwa konsum se Illuminati phone ewu, ni asadi ya kweshe Satan. Me pacha abrabono, bra ye careful. Especially, uye star, shewiye. Uye star, you're very careful. Don't joke with your life. Enye baby ya also uko. Security. Adi awu ye unim se adi ami ye ebetumi ekome edi na kire se uhu dom akọ speed we hu crowd no afa na speed ubom ai menua enkwa nyamienu o enkwa enyamienu ne de ba akọ di agro mesraw be very careful with your life mesraw me driver no check see etu kwan okọ kakra pe set ye focus okọ kakra pe set ye focus okọ kakra pe set ye focus okọ speed pe set me pa chaw me mpentem hwa bra boyiye pa wo chaw nye be bia ne yekọ baabi o beko enipa ye so na nkasa otumi ema ye warning e baabi ayekọ wo tetene kura no ni awurade ya to amamra to atwene tetene kura no wo kọ baabi na wo polipe e wo se oye den wo san wechi teteno wo beko baabi wo poli ajesa san wechi wo beko baabi na si hu se no menko menua menko don't go so no onim bibia enti aya so ne maye warning se bibi besi ada na obo bi di mpane wagunu no so pa machaw be very careful with your life enkwane ya ba akopɛ hwe wadidi yie sa wo mpe exercise start exercise o mpe exercise start exercise mesraw e man na mo wo baako no e mo bi nka nkyerɛ sɛ owu a wasɛe dabi omotola wa wo sɛ 5 o sɛ 4 o sɛ de nso motola gyina hɔ na e ka kyerɛ sɛ won wo da wo ba gye di celebrities no bebrawo mienu miensa ade na ga we de bi oye dede say ma wo ba we ekuapim polo de bi ode ne yefu kire no wa wo ba ne yefu kwa kire so wo da when na ka kire so wo na wasai girls na mo ba no mo wo a eduro kura wonye na ne yefu ne mfi ne to abom na ne yefu aye pampe na ne to aka afam na wa ye poporotwi enti na be ma no wo yi no bonso mpa obi because shape na sai shape no hu ye no de bedi wechi no wasai exercise pe belt bo wuyem ko jogging pedro na no emaye ton bibi duro yi ko omu eduro no anum na ye kama moringa dandi london ni ade ye ntendidi wo fie ye nya aduane wo fie na ye di junk food dodo anaka se odi pizza chese odi pizza ushia wo ba no okuta pizza box okuta pizza obeka se land document okura pizza obeka se asase won krata na bone busei no asa de twa picture no de beto social media so odi bachi ampese ni kontomre a on twa picture da ubenya banchi ampese ni kontomre bacha ne size we pizza ne size no yesu aduane bi dia ye dia flexiama aduane na ba beji dia enya asem a hwedo ya hype iPhone no ama se wo nkura iPhone obeka se wo nya nipa this aye yekuta iPhone me ye dede iPhone me nya iPhone X wie me wu dia me fanye po me wu dia me fanye ope app bi a wunya obe download ya ebuei obe chi nwom a ekwe obe ye we ya ebuei we ye phone ya hype ade yi wu twa picture kraju ye say now de kire na ebem na obi ewu so kra iPhone ye na yesua wanye bi pe che say system no nka ho ede wo hawni the catch out this time men lead life to please anybody, live the life that will make you happy. Simple mathematics. Abrabo ye wo no ya wo ne wadam fu mavis na kra obetumi ne wa yaka susu se wo bo wo bra wo pese wo impress nkrofo no who do you want to impress? Ya dia wo beto enye dia manfo beka ya dia wo beto se mpreduasa obi ni gini bi ho dia wo ya wo pe no no say girl bi aye short video bi a enkofo dey status o say ntu nja gini no o de Infinix ene itel no ene we eko 2019 ene iPhone ya dia no so kire ya no so kire ya dia no so kire. Don't judge people by the way they dress. Don't judge people by the type of phone they use. Judge them by their account balance. Obi kuta iPhone. Bundle kura oboro. Obi su kura yam. Kwa chake credit eguso. Ya tu no kura too much. Ya tu no dodo. Ya tu no kura too much. Adi tu no kura na. Oba so ye successful ya dan ya wesi mi fie nie enye phone na wukra your liability and your asset enye car wutwi ya dan ya wesi je tumi sidan ne atron in memory of Abraham bin Moshe, in memory of Pakwesi Indu, in memory of so and so when car ayatron in memory of that car ne atron in memory of enye japade susu sa o de car range no ne Benz no de Flex no enye japade me free one sat anytime edan asase ne dan edan ni bu edan ne jatom na ehekra asase ne da ho menye smart madam fubo yi won phone okura besu wato asase be 10 me apply ba ko o asase be 10 and what turning in the bush. I say, my train. That Kakrana area when they develop them at ton heavy money. Now they are business. Nyansa. Me phone na me live video no. Any iPhone no. Wait. Infinix one. Infinix Zero. Infinix Zero. Come and see picture quality. Come and see picture quality. Get yak and me iPhone X and no the other cones was are you a fish? Oh, got picture was swimming pool. I say, oh, yeah, nam. Are you an opoku or apata or a tilapia? Say, iPhone, honey, buy me iPhone. That one, you can take it and you can use it to take picture under the sea. Are you a tuna or an apata or an opoku? Hey, baby, we are see any baby a druni. You could trap picture will swassi. What can you touch them? What can I say the yeti and an asso? Hey. Generation man, Yabetomi. Hey, 10 years time to come here. I wonder how this universe will look like. Hey, no, some per se, chile why you blame. And will be a type of Abuajida course as my water. Hey, whoa. I feel ready a challenge. Nidia near Kono, mainly do a brabo to FM Plizio Bia. Jadia Omobato, who will be a war, who nibia would nibi abrabono, in levels. Ndrameka banks and wasam, your banks and Saint Ghana from paying for your banks, no, Montramunian to 2 years, Skenio, who cois Capra Wunya, Skenio, men's go the Asemia, Yamu Biaka copy. Say nam one say mo ye ne denyo say mo dia manfo sika mo mu ya dwuma ye ntiase nyantachi wafa ne hu adi oman ye di agro. We are joking in this country. They also want to say the plan of the West, the plan of the West. Say Africa, my Africa is self-sufficient. Africa to me is sustaining. Now Africa, to me yet you know the African Central Bank, African Monetary Fund. Now Africa to turn any me now Africa, any Africa, dija now Africa, bois onwa ni inventors. Te sa Apostle Kojo Safono amwa. Africa ho betono inti ye bebe inti abrofo ni techire. Eno mu mia ne ma se ye won kire won that de bia ya ba bebo bosia. GN Bank so na che omo mu techire no mu mi Africa no enya de ketwa wow ye wona bi okeka wa hakra no abeda ne target bia na ne bia no ne ade nyina wow etali ade na chi tinsem pi wo trempa yinfo ne pamocha wo yesram se bosia kwa no begia mu bia nwuma ne nya bi nye ene ye ka no ka akwan ya munye ne yie so me ko Philippines ye kuro ben me ko Philippines ko hwe omo so the same third world country bosia ko hwe de omo ye kuro no ti yesram se bosia mpo na mo be ya mo fanya tutuye yie munye tutuye yie wow ne nya dwuma nye munye ka akwan papa emma ye yesu enko ye nim eno no me ka kira mo IMF International Monetary Fund ni ade wow telechire ko kasapre benya case si a ti misramu bia nya business small business maka kira mo say Uber wo sika bi da ba bia fa ye Uber to Uber no cars miensa enai former drivers no 3 years bi a chi no work and pay driver ne fa car no wato foforo in one way or the other who create employment for others and then you are also making money mobile money we be 4 we be 5 open sport we see a pub na man for be pub bia when you ske bia wo de be pub me catch mo cafe boys no munya steady wo hu skada $1,000 keke unyo obi bu no wo de akwat na club say chale alert yesu 1,000 Ghana wo ni ska man for make you a cafe ho ya tra na America ni bi etresi obi aba be mo ano no o de tra ensa so mu se twitwe when obi papa ebu no when obro ni bi ebu no o de me invest ska no na de tra obro ni so on few o metunya track abechi wo Ghana ometumi atrake aba becho that's a scammers ni bi na omo connections omo go empanyimfo side ni ba bi no na e cover omo de tra na de onsa keska bi wetumi ebuo bi anya $4,000 $5,000 wetumi amfa anya hwe scanner and de o yale me catch ra wetumi ahete $5,000 ahete $2,000 mpo me nsaka medidi on the twa discussion they are really guess nyina guess na ba no guess no slave queens no omo de omo adwen na nam o ka say slave queens na jimi slave queens na ye dwuma no omo de nam alert ni su ono na ekọ sika ne sa se do be si adwan ye o fra no kranya de obefa sika nti no obai odo ni do bi ama ko so ko di nechi no o tonga nti na okofa wenya tonga ne to awi akola won wo ko sika na sa catch out yeah young boy when say kiska bi invest the money o brebi wo outside Ghana fani kasa panichao kachen say we follow teachings bi a akira wo say jejumaden wo sra no opa omo 2,000 3,000 4,000 5 obetumi a omo sike mu odu on the month senu sike biom na de bebo bra menua na pay business bi e wo Ghana ha bebre tutu kwan akoye stranded e wo outside youth na munyina mu adwenya mu say me kwa abrochira de beye no abrochira nye yizo na obi so oduru abrochira na wanya adwuma obi kwa wa abrochira odi obi paper e na ye adwuma bosome oni pa de ne paper ye adwuma no woji hwe de onye obi mo ka akwanto mu nsem ukwa na ukwa genuinely ko school ni ade ko nye adwuma papa bi ya wodam officer Messi obi oba obi okro oba Antonio man outside the mouth obi so be free UK ba don't want to watch no the back but to watch no UK oduru Ghana ha no fa kantamanto no koto watch no ubeto to wait watch UK I am saying UK for 3 months United Kingdom your friend who sokura husa UK United Kingdom your friend who sokura husa obetia good not the tax are just canning everyone say UK no and oh yes you can do up and why UK oh just na me bra no UK no the 3 months den and ko hwetwi abrofo ni twi no ansa ne nsa kiska o tia na wo yesani uska wo na wo de akotena club o yesani uska na de akotena club yesani uska o de akotena we base wo wahia hia wo hyi so agimi ehye nko a wo nko na ahye now o ka say wo fa fie na wesi na wo timgo East Legon no wo betina fi wa kosida wo fa ni fie na wesi wa East Legon na cars go na o ti wo no wo fa no o fa plan no ba betina Ghana oba pa ba fie o oba pa u fie o oba ne cars wunya ntwi bi obo to dem man fa nwadwene na nya ntotoye so my uncle house one can so wo ma pebre bi na bo obra en wala bo ya wo mede ena me ya wo yade yo mimi abusuani bia me to mensa ebe som mimi mebusuafo kra mi nim bebre mebusuafo me nim amokro mu ndu 3 ti mimi me mfa me nim to obi aso abrabom nyankopɔ di aboa wabusuani baako ekopi aburochire wabusuani bia ye yi ampachaw capitalize on that ebusuani na fa build your life. Say any panokra we need damage so no betumi ewu at any time. And then how yama ho. Tina Bible no kra ka say eno me nka do ne ho to nipa so no. E dey ntia because nipa na de ne ho ato no so no betumi ewu. Na case die. What do you to so be nya hwe. Man ki say we can take me so at the wedge. No who. Now we say before be ko fi Ghana dey akwa outside dey easy one. O bro no ba di kuro mo person be da ne bed no. Nti proceed ya be famous we duru ko no. Hey. Money now, mo be kwa so nso money now. New trick bi aba. Eno na guy ne ye no set akra dio sedai. Sa so for no kwafe ne sen. So for no boom crop for no crefense, atunton seminar. When you new trick aba. O kwa so still at ye, me tra so for trick aba. O kwa, obaka so when you bridge in your farm, no so ye bibi ma. Enti, the di ka beka kire say 2,000 Ghana, no nya de bi ma. 1,000 Ghana. O 2,000 Ghana ni hia. Na waka kire say also koto oil bi. Na oil no ba ko ye 100 Ghana. Obekire oil no. Eno wo bosheba. And you say police aban edene court. Now you prosecuting no kodem be 1,000 years with hard labor. Na so for nka di sue nyansa. Sa so for bosheba no. Kromfo mu kromfo enyo no nko a o. Ene omo aka. Na ejom no obi an expose om tuntumi mbodi. Akromfo nko a. Minimobi a oye brade asofoi chale mubuni po radio so radio se TV and no say wo a wo pay bibi hyehyehye within 1 week send 500 Ghana bra wo send 500 Ghana ne pay frɛ no no sure de obey boy bi send 500 ofrɛ so for ne kyerɛ de be ya 1 week ambem boy le ko so for no so ko gini sika na so for ma police ache no kromfo ni mum ama police ache guy enti so for beka say 2,000 we di ka je 1,000 no aka say oil bi koto oil no ba ko ye 100 Ghana koto oil no ba ko 500 Ghana o de ka 1,000 no a aye 1,500 o ba no aka kire say ade no aka another oil bi na o ma wo number bi frɛ number no because our oil no a secret oil only proton oil no so for the guy na your connection now what friend number na ya catch us say oil no you were 2,000 Ghana you were 3,000 4,000 5,000 up to 7,000 it's the now pay obaka dey no see 2,000 now what san kwato oil color bi color you blue you green your oil your oil bi so oil no be no red blue colors only men so mudi go color ensuo no mo de ye no efunu nsuo efunu dead body ni nsuo hwe menua awurade hwe de bia me kan one day people will remember me na me ka me kire efunu nsuo omoni mo kire manfo na connection because ye emba me efunu na omo hye funu na omo nsuo be mo di hye funu no ns divide nsuo ne sa bi so bi oni now I got oil only 2,000. 80,005 plus 2,000. Saying I get 3,005. No, I can't just say call. Na quarter. Now I so die 2 numbers. 1 week. Die number. I can say pain a beba. 2 weeks. Why can't you say die? Until die no so now also die. Then you no suffer no beba so die now. We are no asa catch so nya simi na de bedwale na okokra na loto no mane mbaya obegina so krasa de ebu aka so okokra na loto no mane mane wakase na ofi abayifo omwamia na emem enti owo semina bi eno ye 1,500 eno na papa ne beka say ya je 7,000 no ya nje 7,001 no because oka 7,001 na wunya to ogene kakra we o de nipa 50 na so for no ekoto Rolls Royce a e ma nya wonwa ti ho catch us say that God you see in the Bible, that God you see in religion doesn't exist. Ye dinidin bebu onyo mo hwe ye dinidin ebebu ye nyo mo hwe Jesus din ye di bu amanfo Jesus aye din no wote wo you Abraham, if you do not stop, Jesus will strike you. Now, Jesus will be a striker now. Uncle started a suffer no within the boy. Hey, Yawa Akwada was one or say wonko. Any above for us, no ako discount. Be black. And Kwadami, you know, what's my bako? Bako said that Amenko, Bako said that Ameko, and no ako discount. Why near mono? John call your codis can anyway. And to me, Jesus, our friend, is sitting in me. And to me, call. Any software Jesus as one or so, or did Jesus didn't quasi as a 1 year more. And Jesus will be striking and yummy because men were friend, and Jesus will power. Oh, Muna, Giatu, so many a Juma. Nobody did po every amount for you know. I want to also when yummy. Mekrana muna mudi dindim kwase asem no mesabo pressure se munni mu se mu Jesus Christ baby a they say kwahwe obon sem say Abraham you are doing a good job tell them the black religion e cause division young guy be fi outside Ghana ba young guy yaba girl I was girl no girl na school or the girl na nursing training guy ni a Muslim but bedru Ghana or be wale girl na girl ni so for say guy ni a Muslim tie nyi religion say kremoni echia ochia assalamu alaikum peace be unto you Christo ni chiawa asumdwie nkan Jew ni echiawa eye shalom alekehem. Every religion ninchia a peace, but religion doesn't bring peace, but bring confusion and division. Religion, papem. First, no, near to me could do away fee, nay nako, near could do away fee, nay nako. First, no, 8 me kakra, tamakom 5. Ye did do fee. Ni akodi diwo ebo fie last stop na yemi fie na mamia katuo na yinadi and religion ti Pentecost ni kura mpesa ne ba eba kodi diwo SDA ni fie SDA ni mpesa ne ba eba kodi diwo Rome ni fie because SDA ni wi preko Pentecost ni wi preko ne ba no ko ba wi preko so anko ho and Kristo ni man kremoni ade Islam chere se aboa no e wo se nkremoni ne kuno ntu nkremoni tumeji aduane wa kwakoto agu Kristo din so nkremoni bre na aduane a o se nkremofo mu ku aduane na wo ka west na mo ka gu aboa no so no chere se o ma chante aboa no ntu awudi kura wa nhwa no wadane apache wa nhwa no wadane kotere no so akoto agu religion mi Abraham nkremoni ma me amedi Kristo no di ba amedi busum aduane medi because me free minded busum no kura mi se me menye correct min kremoni mam medi Kristo ni ba be black bese intensi be black si intensi to the babom religion division Nana Judia Mo. Na Judia Mo. Na Judia Mo. Let them better verses. Wo better verses, papa. Na wo ba de ku Yesu no. En wo ba de ka say, se me tumi so na tade mu nko a. Se me so na tade mu a. Moje tumi ne betwa. Enti enanyumbre ye ba be so Yesu mu ne ye so Yesu atade mu. Ne ya ka kire Yesu say, papa Yesu e. Se nanyumbre we nhira ye ma wo nko. Se de Jacob out chire bofo no. El bofo this week because mal Hey, me black. Best Malaki Mika Anarwa Anamalaki. Hey! Bible ne say Jacob ebo bofo ema bofo no osui. Search man. Hey! Number 2 enye moti an yebo no. Moti. Ya hwe Jacob ya ni Awurade bedi ntenta say Awurade enhyira me ame we enhyira me ame nko na obe so ochem se Nyankopon ni mnyansa so be hyira ya ma me kwa yesa market no ada Nyankopon ni mnyansa o Bible ne kura say Nyankopon nim de ehia answer wo bisa the concept of prayer. The Christians want to tell me say prayer changes the mind of God. Say shebre se safwe. Se same shebre yi mami o. In the first place, when am I shebre no? Enti onu Nyankopon ma wo shebre. Na wo ka kire se on sesa wo shebre ma wo a. Wo be so ka kire onu Nyankopon se wo nim nyansa e no ma wo nkwase ya shebre. Enti on sesa ne ma. You are telling me you are even wiser than your God. Nonsense. There is nothing called shebre. It is your decision, your action, your thoughts, and your words that determines your future. Future be any maybe can't catch them. Say future be future then life is like a movie, and we are here to fulfill a written script. In a movie, kwaku menu analenwin. And robber, movie mu amepacho. In the movie, we movie na pacho police chinebeye. Be black, police chinebeye. Ye because a script reactor and or acting as an armed robber. To catch him say Friday be shebre, that you will be a one shebra. And yet, even you don't need to preach so being sacra because armed robber no and shebre, a shawonino and a shebre, slave queen no and a shebre. The okuku nipa no eye ne shebre Nyankopon na shebre enti munya preaching no obi amone bra. It is decision, action, your words, your thoughts, your attitude, your behavior, how you address issues, and it determine the future. Well, if you decide to sleep, you know what you reap. If you put in hard work, you know what you reap. It's simple. It's simple. The universe, a law. To every action, there is equal and opposite reaction. To every action, there is equal and opposite reaction. Amen. Tiana nanu kura no munim sa ne makura ka say otu we otu buo ban a esan ba wo awoso otu buo ebo ban a esan ba wo ankasa woso enti abrabo no de wodi be hjem no and when a universe no be ma answer. The universe is like a calculator. Your behavior, your thoughts, your action, your words, your deeds, as I said, the obobo numbers, you get the same answer. Until 2018 the law of the universe. This has nothing to do with religion. It has nothing to do with Satan. It has nothing to do and let Mukoshu to Bansam. It is the greatest form of stupidity, undisputed. The greatest form of stupidity, undisputed, shooting Satan. Messi and the Bansam wewu. And now be you and then you bring. And then you bring. I will yes to him. Yeah, but you. Yeah, but you spiritual gun. Obiajan is a say. Obiajan is a say. Obia. Jean Sassay. The Becca Kedbich. And then you bring. A bay for woman fee. A bay for woman fee. A bay for me papa fee. What dear, more baby, yassi. Mufia bay for corner when you war fight. About to pay. Tipacho last year bullet no be for no mini bullet and or chesty bullet. Last year shoot ya who shoot to Bonsam. Na mo amoye mesre kwa mam eya mokoto aba ekohwe Bonsam no. Wo akoto aba akohwe Bonsam. Bonsam no gina wechi timba no kura obetiti ko nyina. Wo akoto aba no so akoto no so dem so for na yire na fa plan. And they saw them. Who saw for the Abba, say, Bonsam. Now, so for the 50 Ghana per patch of the police. Say, well, one robbery. Daylight robbery. For the police for. You boom. Abrabo about this year. The call biscuit one worker. Can you say this year one cassa we year 12? This year. Can you say we year 12? Well, she chrono wabo. Krono wa bona fi akojina saw them say if you abeyifu amoma menwo nonsense na so for catch us say abeyifu eyi wuwu mbare no ko sunsumu wiase akwa akoma wuwu fufuro wujina say koli Get me na for kwa solina. So for the catcher, get back say, I be for the womb. And that for the catcher say, ah, then last week I am abortion. Then the womb I'm doing insane. Get an enemy say you fought to where you woman. And the more drink diagro, Mommy now. Sram, I'm a chow. Adiasa, about 12, a boy, Adiachi, 1st January. And Sassare. We see can a bank account to and one of them. So for be catcher say, or not to be bomb pie and Miss Kaku for bank account to Waboa. So for be catcher say now saw them or and a mobile money begus or Waboa or one or yet trick. No more far coin so edge my back number. And I saw for no a man a boys in the back. I saw for the crowd 1 year said and the boys no. I saw for crowd of 1 year said boys no. Boys from the mobile pro. Only now saw a problem say ya. Me name Sadio Musra. Say your debt or no musra was Akasha, no musra. Say Pukle, no musra. No monim to no mochi, or monim call, no munsechi. I am black, or monim to mochi call Fanta face Coca Cola body. Obi be dia dance ya. Ye man nipa nuclear. This is not a matter in some more. Obi be dia dance ya. Ye man nipa no one a dance the crowd with you. But not so father. Who was all? Who was all? I dance in your period now. When you do so for. Mommy a dance ya say. Or free time for working and ever. No so over. None the mobile money is cost 70 pesos. You won't pay this year. Dear Radia. I bet you for good. Dear bet you for. Rabra Bofo, me too chama why? Oh no, boys, we are more. Someone some pedal crack. Oh, me put them send there and there. Me so you times off for the bejo. One city you crowd ajo. Yeah. So for your son, no, yeah, one service. No, yeah, 20,000 Ghana waboka, 200 million waboka. Also, I have one service. No, yet 20,000 Ghana. Waboka. Me catch now. Me P Black Yahuda CSF. Afi, we are proud of ourselves. Say the yeti. P Black what the bush ya for fane P Black. The bush ya for fane nya na jan ni pebis to say jan. Yetunya enlighten even educated people. We are proud of ourselves. Na me ka me chiro. Ye yan hwe no bi mbo ya baso. Ye ni meduma yan. Me energy amanfo. Eturobu ye chiro. Hwemeni I still look young. Me ho nchire me. Me nyale at the body be antom. There is good energy around us. Dear Bako Pena me to winning. Number ne won any ye pin, you know. Mumwa. And next year, you to me kwa TV program. Sremo. Mumwa. In your 240 million old currency ya ebeso enya 3 months per with TV so a na ebinum abom pese omo ye omo sponsor program na after 3 months no program na nkasa ebetua ne hoka the pen say ye be enlighten ye nua no. This is what I was sent to do and I must do it. My number is 0244 85 6241. Min kasa bebre andra me kan kasa ni na asofo ne jiomo de mpanyimfo jiomo de ebia nyumbre ba chile. Last days are dangerous. Me pobia chaw. Chill but don't freeze. Last days are dangerous. Ope so ko chile ya. Woni wo girlfriend, wo girl na ope no woni Mumpe hotel bi dim ko buku mu one room hotel n'anim ho sport na ho no montena ho monnom de mo benom mo wiye pe mo mfro soro ho din mo konkoda din on pe problem ade mo benom bia no mo nkoto de mo benom no emfa be hye fridge mo nnom wodam ho mo mbo mo nyom mo ndi mo nkomo na mo na asa men ko bia problem beba o last days are dangerous obi ntie futuo kwasie bi bewu anadwi be se kwasie bi ebewu 2019 na jese edru last day o kojimiu last days are dangerous edamu nyina ase CSF 2019 ebehwe de ebesi why on said the nkasa bebre ya behu de ebesi no ase toto nema mon support mon endo pen yesrem edamu nyina ase ebia mo ba bi ko ene ade ntina ye ba ntem no why anadwi eso ye bebo ye mpaye na eja ya sra na nanom oma ya hoden ye fa nya adwuma no ti menya da age na ma monitor sofo no ye twen nkwasi ya prophecies no ye twen omo mbewu na asi asofo ne mfemra why empanyufo bewu sofo ejimia Shatawale ene ewura 2019 mo no wow we sofo na sunsu anyansa na bejimia mo amu begum nwani mu asesa wale ene ewura 2019 as sofo kwasa Shatawale kwaye track man special track for that foolish prophet we oye Shatawale koka ne ho a ye beka se woni suban damu nyina ase afi mu aboa CSF mu aboa damu ase eye bibi nso na ankoyi a mo fenchaye ye kakase bi weni anye ho a mo fenchaye why damu ase mo bia mo apese ofre no me rest kakranti enwumbre from 8-9 ekono Ghana time 8-9-10 ekono wa pese ofre na wa frame damu nyina ase mbeboa ye TV program no mbeboa ye football team no wa pese oboa footballs Jesus ni ade no mbeboa why ya kinana me hu nana abna me hu ya Louis me hu ya there from Paul 22 bless ya me number no 0244856241 damu nyina ase na intumi rest kakra atwe na anya dwuma body ni bre damu ase why damu nyina ase why yawuda wo edwuma semti na montene kan why damu nyina ase why damu ase why mo say how many in dollars TV program in dollars no 2400 in dollars ko be say 24000 in dollars e be say 24,000 in dollars. Abdullah Yusuf, check mami why. Obi so peso hu. 24,000 in dollars. Abdullah Yusuf, check mami why. 22 bless me hu. Ya nana si do da kon, but I say Derek Young. Oh, me peke ufra me peke nya me why David Apia, but amu nyina ase. Why? Ya Kwabena Pino. Ya Prince Kofi me hu. Ya Wida GH, Daniel Awe me hu. Ya Mario me hu. Ya Kenana me hu. Ya Obrempong me hu. Westmoreland yeah that's it. Why? Yeah, risky baby Bella. $3,000. Almost $3,000. Yeah, $3,000. Yeah, and we got $3,000 and 24,000 divided by if I say 5. 4,800. 4,800. Yeah, 4,800. $4,800. Right. Yeah, we say 3,000 euros. Right. Yeah, that means I say, and I must be brave. Bye. Yeah. That means I say, and the kata me home, and the coffee. Yeah. Ellen, yeah. Oh, okay. Midino. Wow, pay Midini, Avraham Ali Ibrahim. Yeah. Helena ya Abraham Ali Ibrahim. Abraham Ali Ibrahim. And our ID card so Abraham Ali Ibrahim. Abraham Ali Ibrahim. Why? Adam Ginasi. Why? Bye.
What a new way to cool off and quench your thirst. And now everyone is enjoying the surprising experience of Paradise Park treated drinking water.
Hi.
Join the refreshing experience and enjoy the all-new Paradise Park treated drinking water. Paradise Park treated drinking water. Drink pure, live more. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Do you live in the USA, UK or Canada? Do you wish to work from home? Do you want to be your own boss? If your answer to the above questions is yes, then log on to casatalk.com. Casa Talk is giving you the opportunity to work full-time or part-time from the comfort of your home. At Casa Talk, you decide how much money you make at the end of the month. To work full-time or part-time from the comfort of your home. At Casa Talk, you decide how much money you make at the end of the month. It's convenient, less stressful, you save money on transportation, no experience is needed. All you need is a quiet home office. Log on to www.casatalk.com and grab the dream job you've been waiting for right in your home. Casa Talk is Ghanaian owned.
Hi, Patrick.
Yes, thank you. Wow, you guys are so efficient. You're always on time.
At Drop-In, we pride ourselves on being efficient. We make sure our riders are happy with our services.
That's great.
But madam, how did you hear about Drop-In?
Oh, I saw a post on Instagram. I've been using Drop-In since. How about you?
I saw a post on Facebook and I decided to give them a call to see if I could work with them. They've been so great. I just received another request on the same route.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, with Drop-In, you can share a ride and pay less than the actual amount.
Charlie, Drop-In has finally dropped. So, download it now on your Android or iPhone and ride safely and conveniently. Charlie, you for take Drop-In. Bam.
Drop-In, your convenience is our drive.
Tititititiri de bapemne titititiri de bapemne insuhwem amayati asese nsu eyenkwa na asase edawe emu hanchichemu aduoson so eyensu na sete sadia de nti na wotena se emensukom ane nsu enwa woyiraw emaweni tuka wonsem erade na ye drilling company limited won ababe so how bebria na nipa nemu efa nsu ho wobetu asase yem kopem se wobetu nsu pa eho tewo ne wetu ediamawo borehole drilling ye bi water treatment services ye visibility study say we said baby a wotire yense yentu no ayade e betu nsu asase ne yem ansa ne yetu ye hand and electronic pump installation hydrofracture ye the machines ahoro esi asase nani ne yatu nsu na fi baby biare wa begu faako yem borehole drilling no eho tew wutimenom wode horade egware mpo a unya ohaw ankrankrei afiesim apartment ahoro insurance hotels estate developers washing bay ni nyumeku momre ne rade na ye drilling company limited ye bebu am wenye super putu yang was 0245 636 634 and 02471 714 72. Erade na ye drilling company limited. This is Su Ayenkwa.
Mini anum Ghana for me much or met you bibia na me ameka say your friend Kusi Bismarck. E bia bia atwam na yin na your friend say your Christopher, if friend say your Kremofo. Na so ye beti Abraham bin Moshe na yin na your friend say your Christopher, if friend say your Kremofo. Na so ye beti Abraham bin Moshe message no. Ye won ye say obo ade no wa ma ye som bia ba bia ade bo free buy no obi anim obi ntimi nkyere. Na mbom ya dwen kyere say ade bo ema ya dwen da itirim. Enti wo pese wo obo onua bia uhu yonko no waboa no menye obone e wadwen na be kyere wo. Enti enuanom yesre ye pese ye support Abraham no spread message no elibrate enuanom ene ye maame no ema ye. Enti wo pese wo beka nipa 2000 yi ayeyi ehun asi wo free yakuma mu se ye pese ye support Abraham esanse na nanom ayi na maye na oboa ode ne nkwa na to spread message yi. Enti wo pese wo beka nipa 2000 no na ye support Abraham a mesra to ha ban bra eno asa wo be WhatsApp number na e wase o no minua mahaban ni I ready meti abana be kanipa 2000 no ya support Abraham no was spread message na maye CSF ba koye na yepe bia koye na yepe adwena nya adwuma body ni bebre meti obi bia ase.
Is everywhere. Digital devices, fluorescent lights, LEDs, even the sun. And it may be affecting your eyes and your life in more ways than you realize. From tired eyes to disrupted sleep patterns, blue light may be compromising your blue light solutions that reflect light. Patent-pending EAT absorbs short wavelength, high-energy blue light, while allowing long wavelength blue light to your eyes. It's a light-enhancing technology that helps you to experience life the way it's meant to be experienced. Transform your lenses and your life with EAT. Ask your eye care professional about energy-absorbing technology and see the benefits for yourself. EAT, a light-enhancing technology, brought to you by Quantum. We create solutions.